current. It returns the current date. Current. It returns the current date by the system. Return the current date by the system. It means whatever date is set as the current date in your system, that will be returned. If your system clock is working fine, then select third date. I have executed this query. Then what output you will get? Current date. Today's date is 15th April 2020. It means output is 2020 year. Then month is 4 and day is 15. Clear? 2020 y year part, then month part, then day part. Clear? Current date function return the current date in your system. In your system clock, in your system calendar, whatever date is set, that will be displayed. If your system is not updated, your clock is not working fine, then this function return the wrong date. Clear? Now you can see current date function we can also use with the help of the name current underscore date. Current underscore date. I can also use this function as select, again see, or select current underscore date. We have two alternate to display the current date. First is CURDATE, put the function brackets here. But if you use current underscore date, no need to put the brackets there. Clear? Select current underscore date. Clear? Note down this function. And format of the date is, as I have already told you, first year will be displayed, then month, then day part. YY, MM, DD format is there. Because this is the default format of the date in MySQL. Clear? Next is second function is now. Second function is now. Now means, what do you mean by now? Now means current. Again current. Now what is the difference between now and current date? Now returns both date as well as time. Second function is now. See the working? Second, now. Clear? Select now. You executed this function. What you will get? You will get the current date. Get a display, we can say display current date as well as time. Clear? Current date gives me only date, but now gives me date as well as time. Then what is the format to display? First is date, and then what is the time now? Suppose 9:15 is there, like this. Clear? This is the format for the date. Clear? The format of the time is 24-hour format. No AM, PM is written over here. Clear? 24-hour format, you all know. The time is displayed in the 24-hour format. Clear? Difference between current date and now is, from the theoretical point of view, it is the important question. What is the difference between current date and now? Current date will display only the current date, and now will display both date, current date as well as time. Next function is, third function is date. Third function is only date. Third, date. What does this function do? Date. This function this function returns the date part from the given date time expression. Suppose you are giving both date and time in date function, then date function return only date part. How I will use this date function? Suppose you all know now will give date and time. I want to extract the date part from this, from now. You can use this function inside the date now. Now what will happen? Select date now. Now returns both date as well as time. If I put inside it now inside date, then you get only date. Clear? Means what is the use of date function? Date function returns the date part. If you have the combined date and time and you want to get only date without time, you can put in date function. Clear? One example is this. One more I can try. Now you can see that here this is the function, this is the function. I have used now function inside the date. It means this is called nesting of function. This is called nesting of functions. Function inside function. Function inside function I can use in MySQL. Clear? This is my inner function. This is my outer function. Which one execute first? Inner will execute first. Inner execute first. It means first now will be executed. Now returns both date and time. Then date function will execute and it returns me only date by trimming the time from that. One more example I am writing here for this. Suppose I have given here date and I write myself date and time. Suppose I have given here 13:05. Clear? This is the date, this is the time. What date function will return? If I put in select query, then output is only date part. Clear? Time will not be displayed. This is the functioning of date function. Clear? Now next function is, fourth function is month. Fourth function is month. These are very simple function. Month. This function, what is the name? Month. It means it returns, this function returns month number from the given date. Returns the month number from the given date. For example, I am writing the example. Select month 2018 0608. Suppose whatever date you can give here. This is the 8th June 2018. Month function returns, which is the month number? 6 here. It means you will get output as 6. Output you will get 6 because month number is 6 in this date. Clear? Second example you can see. Select month. I want to get the month number from the current date. So what I will write? Month, write here current date. Write here current date. Current date is no underscore is there. You get, which is the month number in current date? 4. April. In the current date, month number is 4 because April is 4th month. And in the previous example, you will get 6 because here It is the month number 6 for June. Clear? Month. Next function is month name. Fifth function is month name. Month name. Month name. Month name. What does it return? This function returns. This function returns month name. Returns month name. Previous function returns the month number. This function returns the month name in text format. ठीक है? Like for example, January, February. Clear? Whatever is the month, you will get the name. 12 months we have. If I want to display the current month name, what I will write? Select month name, bracket, curr, date. Clear? Semicolon. What you will get? Output is April. Clear? Month name returns the name of the month in text format, and month function returns month number. It returns the numeric output, month function, but month name returns the text character output. Clear? Name of the month. It is in alphabet form. Next function is year. Sixth function is year.